Turn to the page after the song. Question number 1. What words or phrases in verse 1 show the speaker's admiring and respectful attitude toward Ruby? Remember, pick words or phrases in verse 1 that show the speaker's admiring and respectful attitude toward Ruby. Number 2, reread the hook. Go back and look for the section titled Hook. Reread the hook. What is the speaker's tone in the hook? How does the speaker create this tone? Question number 3. What is the mood of the hook? Again, go back to the hook, reread it, and answer the question number 3. What is the mood of the hook? How does the speaker create this mood? Question number 4. Reread these lines from verse 2. Circle words from these lines that have a negative connotation. Negative connotation means a negative hidden meaning. Connotation means hidden meaning. Circle words from these lines that have a negative connotation or a negative hidden meaning. Why might the speaker have chosen these words that you circled in here? Make sure you're circling more than one. It says circle words from these lines. And then down here, answer the question. Why might the speaker have chosen these words? Please turn to the next page, titled Tone and Mood. Read each question and circle the correct answer. What is tone? Where and when a story takes place? A. The author's reason for writing a story. B. C. The author's attitude toward the story. Or D. How the story makes you feel. Question number 2, what is mood? A. Where and when a story takes place. B. The author's reason for writing a story. C. The author's attitude toward the story. Or D. How the story makes you feel. Question number 3. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a kind of negative tone? Which of the following is not a kind of negative tone? A. Angry, B. Cynical, C. Harsh, or D. Excited. Number 4. Which passage below has the most whimsical tone? So on this question about which passage below has the most whimsical tone, whimsical could be, a synonym for whimsical could be playful or mischievous or variable, changeable, unpredictable. Which passage below has the most whimsical tone? So think of it as playful or mischievous or variable or changeable or unpredictable. A. The creature moved its sharp claws over the strange device, and the noise was loud and distracting. B. The lovely fairy danced her long fingers over the harp, and the music carried us gently into a trance. C. The creature played the instrument, and we listened to the music it made. D. The monster produced a terrifying noise, and we tried hard not to scream and give away our hiding place. Which of these passages has the most whimsical, meaning playful or mischievous, tone? Last page of your packet, number 5. Which passage below has the most critical tone? Think of critical as disapproving or negative or disapproving tone. A. On the train, the man slowly clipped his fingernails. He focused on the task, beginning with his pinky finger and finishing with his thumb. B. On the train, the tired old man began clipping his fingernails. He was trying to distract himself from his loneliness by focusing on this one small task, moving from pinky to thumb. C. The man, right in the middle of the crowded train, began to clip his long, yellow fingernails. He did slowly, as if he didn't even care that a dozen other people could see and hear him. The man on the train clipped his fingernails. D. The man on the train clipped his fingernails. It took him 2 minutes and 8 seconds. He started on his pinky and finished with his thumb. When he was finished, he put the clippers back into his jacket pocket. Number 6. Which words and phrases best show the sentimental tone in the passage below? A tone of feeling, of sympathy. Which of these best show the sentimental tone, a feeling of sympathy in the passage below? I got out of the old car and took a few halting steps up the driveway. A cloud of warmth drifted out of the window and embraced me like a comforting hug. I knew that smell, fresh bread that Papa had just taken from the oven. I heard the familiar pitch of his whistle as he slowly stirred tomato soup on the stovetop. I ran to open the screen door because now I knew where I was. I was home. Now, which words and phrases in what I just read show the sentimental tone in the passage below? Is it A, warmth, comforting hug, home? B, car, tomato soup, and door? C, old, halting, and out the window? Or D, driveway, screen door, and slowly stirred? Number 7. Which word best describes the tone of the sentences below? The stunning poem that opens this lovely collection is rich with imagery and language. Which word best describes the tone of the sentence below? Admiring, bitter, sad, or hopeful? Eight. Which word best describes the tone of the passage below? I never wanted to see that movie, but my annoying little sister kept pestering me. Eventually, her whining wore me down, and I gave in. But that waste of a movie really destroyed my Saturday. Which word best describes the tone of the passage below? Is it A, admiring, B, bitter, C, sad, or D, hopeful? Question 9. Which words and phrases from the sentence below best shows you the tone? Which words and phrases from the sentence below best shows you the tone? That waste of a movie really destroyed my Saturday. Which words and phrases from this sentence best show you the tone? Waste and destroyed, A. Movie and of, B. Or C. That and my. Or D. Really and Saturday. Number 10. Last question. Which of the following passages has the most objective tone? I devoted 3 hours on Saturday to the masterpiece of a movie. B, the movie that I saw on Saturday was 3 hours of torture. On Saturday, C, on Saturday I made a 3-hour mistake. I saw the movie. D, I saw the movie on Saturday. It was 3 hours long. Which of the following passages has the most objective tone, not taking any sides? Make sure you have this done for Thursday.